This is your Mom GL and welcome back to my channel. So what's for today? Today, we are going to make a beef burrito. These are the ingredients of my beef burrito that we're going to make for today. Alright? So we have a 1 pound ground beef. So isosaute natin ito maya-maya lang. So I have cheddar cheese, I have a mozzarella cheese, then we have the green bell pepper and red bell pepper. We had a pressed red onion. So we have a guacamole. What is this? The avocado. So and then we have the fresh tomato and a shredded lettuce. So shredded because maliliit lang ang ginawa ko. And then we have a kick of jalapeño. See, for today we have lime and of course our burrito pan. What I mean. So yes, and then before I forgot, I made my own sour cream yogurt for the sauce of our beef burrito. So when we're going to saute the beef, we're going to put like red bell pepper, and then of course we have black pepper, and of course olive oil and salt to taste. Okay, so now let's start to saute our ground beef. Okay, so I have, let's say, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, so kanina pa I think mainit ang ating pan. So, and then we're going to put the garlic. Let's saute first. Okay. So, after we saute the garlic, so let's put the onion. Red onion. Okay. Couples of chopped onion. Okay. Pwede rin naman pong gawin natin like chicken burrito kung ating mas masarap i-grill natin. Pero today, I decided to make my own like ground beef burrito. Okay? So, because, you know, yun ang paborito ng boss, kaya lulutuin natin ngayon. So, lutuin bahay lang to mga misis. Alright? So, if you see that the onion and garlic are caramelized or slightly brown na yung ating garlic, so I will go ahead and put my crushed pepper. Okay? So I like to put my crushed pepper. Okay? Para meron konting kick ng ating masarap daw yung sinusutay natin yung pepper, yung chili pepper. Kasi para daw mas lalong lumabas yung kanyang anghang. Yung kanyang anghang. Okay? So then I'll go ahead and then put my 1 pound ground beef. Alright? Okay. So, madali lang to. Susutay lang natin to. Na kailangan tayong kumuha ng para tayo ay maging maayos ang ating paggigisa. Yan. Yan. Hindi ko talaga siya laging dalawa ang aking panggisa. Yan. Oh my dear, smells so good. This smells so good. I love it. So, pag nanahalo na natin mabuti yan, the next step is we are going to put black pepper. Let's crush some black pepper on top. Okay. And then after that, so meron tayo ditong gagamitin na pang flavor sa ating ground beef na lulutuin ngayon. Although hindi ito taco, but I like to use how many times I use this. So, I'd like to use the taco seasoning. So, para mas malasa yung ating beef burrito. So, as I have noticed, parang similar din naman yung taco sa burrito. So, kaya pwede natin itong itry nyo to at ito ay the best. Palagi ko siyang ginagamit kapag ka ako ay, let's say, nagagawa ako ng chicken burrito or chicken quesadilla or I'm using wala po tayong sekreto. Ito po talaga ang the best seasoning kapag gagawa tayo ng burrito or anong tawag doon? Taco. Alright? So, maybe I'll go ahead and put like a tablespoon of taco powder. Okay, yeah. So, medyo maalat po yan, kaya medyo titingnan nyo mabuti kasi baka mamaya ay maalatan kayo. So, dito po sa beef burrito na gagawin natin ngayon, so I forgot to mention my beans. So, nagsutay po ako kanina ng beans. At isa po ito sa ating additional ingredients sa ating beef burrito na gagawin ngayon. So, pwede pong lalagyan pa natin pala ng brown rice. Kasi sa Chipotle, meron siyang brown rice. If you like a brown rice or like a basmati rice or any kind of rice. But brown rice is the best, right? So, pwede natin siyang sahugan o lahukan. O magiging parang like a burrito bowl, no? Burrito bowl. So, pero yung gagawin natin ngayon ay wrap burrito. Okay? So, at lalagyan nga natin siya ng saute beans. So, nung sinutay ko tong beans kanina, nilagyan ko din siya ng konting taco powder para yum. Para malasa. Wow. So, lagyan natin ng konting salt. Salt to taste. At lalagyan natin siya ng, wait, 1 second lang po. Lalagyan natin siya ng like around 2 tablespoons of Mexican sauce. Mexican sauce is just like, what's that? The tomato sauce, the regular tomato sauce. But we choose the Mexican tomato sauce. So the Mexican sauce and the taco bell powder, the taco bell, I said taco bell, right? I said the taco powder, excuse me. The taco powder and the kick of our chili pepper flakes. The best. And here it is. We are finished sauteing our ground beef. Now that all our ingredients for beef burrito is ready, so now we are going to start to wrap. So I already heat up the burrito bread, or how do you call this, the tortilla bread. So we heat up in the microwaves in a second, like in one is like 5 seconds, you know. So, and then now we start. Let's do it. All right. So let's go ahead and put some of my shredded lettuce. Let me put some tomato. So, itong tomato, nilagyan ko siya ng, inisqueeze ko siya ng some lemon. Ng lime para masarap. And then we're going to put onion. Well, it's up to you guys kung ano naman. Ito ay complete recipe. Well, it's up to you kung ayaw nyo ng, let's say, red onion, gusto nyo ng sweet onion. So, it's okay. Some people, they don't like the beans, and they turn into what? To brown rice, you know, then it's okay po. Okay din siya. So, well, I made all of the ingredients as possible that I know for my beef burrito. Only I don't have the brown rice because I don't have enough time to make the brown rice. But next time, we could use the brown rice, right? And then, ang hindi mawawala yung ating ground beef, right? Okay, so now, I put the onion, so I'll go ahead and put some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and then sinute na beans. And then let's add, of course, not going to forget, our beef that we saute before. La la la, yummy, yummy. And then, guacamole, yung ating avocado. This is gonna be yummy. And then of course, we need to add some jalapeno. I like to put mine for jalapeno. 2 jalapeno in here. Okay? So, and then cheese, garnish some cheese. And then some mozzarella cheese, and then let's put our Greek yogurt sour cream. So this is from the scratch too, so it's hard, but but I made that, and it's like, we will include that to our video soon, how I made. So, and then let's start wrapping up our burrito like that. Okay? And here it is. We are done wrapping our beef burrito. So meron pa pong isang option na pwede natin gawin kung ayaw po ng wrap, hindi nyo po type ang wrap. So, pwede naman po nating ilagay sa bowl. So, kagaya po ng sa mga store na pinupuntahan natin na kainan. So, nakalagay po yan pwede pong ilagay natin ang burrito sa bowl. So, then, burrito in a bowl, not in a wrap, okay? There you go. Here it is. Ready na ang ating burrito, beef burrito in a bowl. And here you go. We are going to taste our beef burrito. The wrapped beef burrito. Okay? Tikiman portion. Look. My beef burrito. Okay? Let's try this. Hindi makasalita. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap-sarap ng aking burrito ginawa. With beef, ground beef, na sinutay natin with taco powder and guacamole and Greek yogurt sauce na ginawa natin, white sauce and everything, all in all, especially with jalapeno. Don't forget, don't skip the jalapeno, okay? It's so good. The best beef burrito. I hope you like this video, and if you do, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the notification bell para lagi kayong update. As always, this is your Mom CL, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.